If you're interested in a lift-top coffee table and you're thinking about installing the hardware yourself, there's some things you've got to know. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions how to install the hardware. Let's dive in.
You want to start by finding center of your interior of your coffee table, and then finding center of the closed position of your bracket, and then marking where you'll mount the bracket. Next, you mount the left and right hinges. With the left and right hinges mounted, bring over the coffee table top to get it in position. Get your two hinges centered between the two ends of the table. Now that you have the exact positioning, square up the two hinge brackets. Mark it, punch pilot holes, and drill pilot holes. Now it's time to attach the hinge to the tabletop. Caution, make sure your screws are not too long for the tabletop that they go right through. Next, build a little timber system to support the tabletop while you screw in the bracket. And now you're ready to remount the hinge hardware back in the original holes that you used initially.
To see more woodworking tips and tricks, check out this video right here. To subscribe, click here.